really bad. RS3 style grille.
Ooh, 15 engine electronics. Well, the airbag light has gone off. Let's hope it stays off.
We're back. New part. Let's get it fitted. Got that all fitted up down there, as you can see. Right there. There you go. Alright. Let's get some coolant in this and see how it goes. Got the coolant up to minimum. Been squeezing that pipe down there, this one here, and it bleeded out some air. So hopefully this time it doesn't fucking explode. I'm going to keep the cap off and run the car up to temperature and wait for the thermostat to open. Gurgling now. Keep going. It's taking it faster than you can pour it. Bonnet crash sensor. Replaces that thing there. And while this is feeding the system, I'm just going to get both of them replaced. Go and rev it. So I just noticed this. I don't think this is good news, lads. This is really bad. That's really bad. Alright, I'm going to check the oil cap. That looks fine, to be honest. No milkshake. Hey, wipe this with that bit of card.
Oh, yeah.
None on here either. Yeah, man, it will do for now. Machancic. What? Well, you fucking tipped it upside down, so we don't really know. Yeah, then that's fun. Yeah, I don't know what that smoke was. Hopefully it's just old car. But we're gonna have to see. In the previous clip you can see me struggling for quite some time trying to put the bumper on. It just doesn't seem to be reaching around to this bracket right here. The piece that sits on here is about here. So I was looking at it and I remembered that I've seen 1 or 2 videos of people putting an RS3 grille onto a normal A3, and so every video that I've seen they're painting this. And when I looked at my car I thought I don't need to paint it because it's got this cover on it. But now I'm realizing that I think I do need to take these 2 covers off, and then I need to paint this as well so it's black and it can't be seen from behind.
Alright, so as you can see, one of my headlights is out. This left one here. So it's quite a pain to do that. Replace it. So I need to take the wheel off, unbolt the wheel arch liner, and replace the bolt. I'm going to replace both of them because I got a set of some blue ones.
So much for the online tutorials, because I just got it out without even taking off the wheel. This is the culprit. Let me look at the other one. So here's the new one. It's got a little blue tint on it. Should look pretty nice.
I managed to get it in, as you can see there. I managed to get it out without removing the fender liner, but it was quite a job to get it back in. As you can see here now, it's giving a nice blue light compared to this yellow one. I'm going to try and do this one without taking off the wheel, but probably going to have to take it off anyway, but we'll see. I'm definitely not going to be able to get that out because the fuse box is right in the way, so the wheel is definitely coming off.
Right, so I've just got this, which is a diagnostic tool. Ignore a beeping from the car. Clearly, I need this thing. So this is what I got. Let me just get it open and get this plugged in so we can see. Boom. We're in business. This comes out of here. Okay. See what this thing is about. We're connected to the Wi-Fi now. Okay, I've logged in, created an account and all that stuff. Scanning the car right now. Let's do a health report. Right, so it's scanning the car now. It's got a timer and a percentage. Ooh, 15 engine electronics, 2 transmission electronics. We're off to a great start already. 20 brake electronics. Jesus. There's probably going to be a load of codes on here because it's been crashed, obviously. And it's not been reset since then. Okay, we're done. I think this here is the 2 wires that I have at the front. They're not connected to anything. Okay, what else? Let's see, engine electronics. Cooling fan 1 low. Radiator fan control module, implausible signal, cooling fan 1 control unit. Okay, engine temperature sensor circuit high. Coolant pump for change, dry run. Sensor module, add. Okay. Lost communication with TCM. Okay, let's just go back. Clear. Yes. Okay, it's cleared. Fault memory. Let's see. Rear view camera system control module, no communication. Okay, we'll have to look into that. I did wonder why the reverse camera is not coming up on the MMI, even though I do have one. So now that I know that there's some sort of connection problem somewhere, we're gonna have to look into that. Left right handing traffic changeover active. Not sure what that is.
Alright, so as I was just unplugging the fan, you see that purple connector there? I noticed this is where it plugs into. And I just noticed that this yellow and black wire is not actually in the plug anymore. It's come out of here. So that in fact may be the cause of the fan not working. So before I actually replace this fan, what I'm going to do is try and repair that wire, put it back into the plug, and then try and see if the fan will work without replacing it. Alright, it started raining, so I just had to go inside for a bit. And while I was inside, I just fixed up this wire here, reattached it, plugged it back into the plug. Yeah, so that's done, that's repaired. Now we can test to see if this old radiator is working, or if it's not. If it's not, then I'll have to replace it with the other one. And I also got this crash sensor that I was missing from these two wires. I've just temporarily connected it here with a connector block, just to see if it's actually what's causing the airbag light. And if it is, then I'll properly secure it and get it fitted up behind the bumper. So let's go inside the car, start it and see if those lights go away. Okay, so the airbag light came straight back. Let's see if I can get out my scanner and clear it off. See if that will work. So I got this scanner, this top-down scan, Audi. Okay, as you can see, it's done. There are a load of issues. Cooling fan circuit low, radiator fan, control module, implausible signal. Okay, that was there already. So we're just gonna clear that and see. Tire pressure monitoring system, yeah. We've got a low tire. We don't have any, yeah, that's because we don't have any AC in the car. The sunroof button is not working as well. And that short circuit to ground, that's an old one. Reverse camera, yeah, we don't have any signal from that. I think some mice chewed through the wiring, so I'm gonna have to look at that at some point. It's not necessary for MOT though. And this is also something I'm not sure about. I'm gonna have to do some more research into how I'm gonna fix that. So let's just clear, yes, and scan again. Let's see what comes back.
The airbag light has gone off. Let's hope it stays off.
Okay, that is good news. We cleared it, and only 2 codes have come back, which is reverse camera and the the headlight again. So that means I think we have fixed the cooling fan issue and also the airbag light. So now I don't think this will make it fail at MOT, but I will speak to the tester beforehand and ask him if it will. Okay, I've just put the heating on, the car's running. I'm just going to sit here and let it run at the temperature, and let's see if the fan will kick on. Right, I've had the car running for about 20 minutes now. Oh, and it's gone off. Right, well, the fan was just on, so it is working. It's gone off again because it's not getting hot. It's cold outside. Pretty much complete now. I just need to secure this back in. I'm going to ring up a few MOT places, see if I can get an MOT today. If not, I'll do it first thing tomorrow. I was just checking the car over, and I found that this spring on this side is actually broken at the top. Oh, you can't really see. So, as you can see up there, the spring is cracked. Now, I don't have spring compressors, and I'm trying to get this MOT'd by tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the spring with me to the MOT centre. The spring here, which I just had. Brand new one, I got it from Euro Car Park. I'm just going to take that with me and ask them to fit it before I do the MOT.